Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 5, Lesson 6. Our learning goal for today says, I can describe teen numbers in different ways. That's fantastic because we have been learning how to describe them the say 10 way. Today we're going to use our information that we've learned about say 10 to say them another way, the regular way. But we're going to see how they connect. So let's see. I have some good pictures of a number right here. And of course I put them in a 10 frame. So let's look at the two different parts. So, what number is this? Good, 10. And what number is this? Yeah, that shows 3. How would I say this number the say 10 way? Good, I would say 10, 3. Perfect. Now, the reason why we can say numbers the say 10 way is because when we put numbers together, two different parts together, we get a whole amount. So how would we say this number the regular way? Yeah, 13. Excellent. See how we use that 10 and we put it together with the 3 to make 13? Perfect. So we can always call a number the regular way, 13, or the say 10 way. All right, let's try another one. All right, so what number does this picture show? 10 on that side, and this side? Yeah, I see one whole row of the 10 frame is filled in, so I should know right away that that's 5. All right, so how would I say this number the say 10 way? Good, I could say 10, 5. Now, when I put those numbers together, I could say it another way. Yeah, I could say 15. Perfect. So for every teen number you see, you should be able to say it the say 10 way and the regular way. All right, let's try one more. All right, so what does this picture show? What number? Excellent, 10. And I love how fast you know that because you know this is a 10 frame. So if it's all filled up, it's 10. What about this picture? Oh, good. I know this is 5, and I counted on 5, 6, 7. All right, how do I say this number the say 10 way? Good, I would say 10, 7. I'm going to slide those together. And now how would I say 10, 7 the regular way? Good, I would say 17. All right, excellent. Our learning goal said I can describe teen numbers in different ways. And although we did it pretty quickly and it was pretty short and sweet, we were getting really good at it. That's why we were able to go so quickly. The thing is, when you have a number, you can put it together or you can show it in different ways, and then you can describe it in different ways too. See, we just showed it as a picture, as cards, and then slid together. Anyway, for your exit ticket, what I would like you to do is I want you to describe this number in 2 ways. Now, it's one number, it's just separated into parts. So I want you to describe it the say 10 way, and then also the regular way. Make me a good video so I know that you know how to describe a teen number in at least 2 different ways. Good luck, friends!